Hey everybody, time to eat again. Got my charcoal in here, my charcoal grill. I got a real big Cowboy ribeye steak here, almost 3 pounds. I never made one of these before, but I've eaten them already. I'm going to use my rotisserie. We were thinking for a few hours, a few days really, how to cook this the best way. I thought the Ninja Foodie, but it won't fit because of the big handle. I thought about pressure cooker, my multi-cooker, just putting it in the oven. But then I thought, why not put it on my rotisserie? Remember the rotisserie I got from my charcoal grill? So I'm going to do that right now. Charcoal's fired up. I'm going to stick this through here. I'm going to put a little, I was going to put salt and pepper and butter and all that, but I could put that at the end. I have commissary Epicurean barbecue seasoning. It's so good you'll slap your mama. It says it right there. Got this, my buddy Jim from Mississippi sent me this. It's delicious. You ever do a Cowboy steak on a rotisserie? Alright, now we're going to work with the bone here. I got a pointy end. That's what we're going to push through. And let me see how it's going to end up. Because I'm not going to go through the bone, so I'm going to go this way. So I'm going to stick this in the middle of the meat here, perpendicular to the bone. A lot of planning went into this. There we go. It's going to come out there, see? There it comes. Oh, all right. Now center this with your tines. Again, we're going to work with the bone. Yeah, it's not going to go anywhere anyway. Look at this. Tighten up your little wing nut. Actually, this goes on this end. That's right. Let's see how we want to go here. This way. This way. See, we don't really have to poke holes, just so it holds it on there. Look at that. Tighten it up. I like it. I may have to recenter it once I get it in there. Let me see. That's all there is to it. Come over to the grill. Let's check it out. Charcoal. Hope the bone is alright. Yeah. Whoa, it's hot in there. Okay, so this end goes over here in this groove. I'm going to go in on an angle, sort of. Let me open this side. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, all right. Make sure you use some mitts when you're doing that, unless you start your charcoal afterwards. Wow. All right, it took me a couple minutes to get that on and it started browning up already there. We're gonna go low and slow on this, as low as we can go, with charcoal. Look at that. I'm gonna close it up soon, but I wanted you to see it to start. I could lower this if I want. I'm going to leave it just as it is. The bone is not scraping. Forgot to put my rub on, didn't I? Stop that rotisserie. Oh, I smell that. Mm-hmm. When I turn off my rotisserie and turn it back on, it goes the opposite way. That's fun. You can make your steak however you like. This is how I'm making mine. Yes. Whew. We're going to check the temperature throughout the next half an hour. I want it to be at least like 140 in the thickest part there. Man, look at that. And on the propane side of my amazing deluxe grill, I'm gonna have some corn on the cob and a pan full of potatoes. We can cook them real low and slow too. Keep up with this. All right. This smells so good just in those few minutes. Oh, it's sweaty out here. I'm gonna eat inside. It's air conditioned. All right, let me get my corn on the cob and potatoes. Put them on the propane side here. Turn on the propane. Want them on low. Nice. I love this grill. Propane and charcoal. I'm gonna put some foil down for the corn side. Don't have to, but we're going low, remember? And slow. Because I don't know how long it's gonna take for that steak to reach 140. You can roll them around there real nice. Alright, got these green giant nibblers. They're gonna be fun. They're half frozen right now, I believe. Yeah, they are. Well, that's a fun snack. To go with that big cowboy steak. That's enough for now, I think. 1, 2, 3. And I got these that I got from Sam's Club. Comes a little metal baking dish. See that? That's nice on the grill too. On low. Now I can add butter or whatever I want to that later. No peeking at the steak. Oh. That might get done quicker than I thought. Getting a nice crust there quickly. There's a seasoning. No peeking. I might check the temperature in about 10 minutes already. Oh, I got drenched with sweat in the few minutes I was here. Oh, mother! I perspired again. I'll put a little butter over here. Whoa. I hear them sizzling. Got butter in there? Put some around the corn. Roll them around in there. Woo. Hot stuff. What are you doing? It's gonna start rolling around in there. Oh, that's gonna be good too. We'll speak with fork. My fork is forked. How'd that happen? Sizzling. Woo. Oh, come on around. This has only been about 12 minutes. I'm going to stop it when I can get the thickest part in the middle there. It's 86 out here before it did anything. We're only around 66 in the middle. That's good. You know why? Oh, there we go. 95, 99, 100. You know why? Because then, turn it back on. The outside's going to get nice and crusty like I like it, and the inside's going to be ready when it's ready. Okay? I don't mind the outside being burnt and crunchy if the inside's like 130, 140. It's a sweaty day. 86 out here.
84.6 degrees.
All right, 10 more minutes. We'll check it. Alright, my corn is done. I know some people like it right on the grill. I do sometimes. Potatoes are done. Sizzling good. We're going to turn the heat off. Let them sit for a while. I'm sure my steak is pretty much close to being done. Let's do that sizzle. You like them on there too, don't you? Oh. Come over here. Oh, look at that caveman steak. See, now this says 91 out here. Whew. Stop this. Right there. I like it charcoaled, crispy brown on the outside. I want to check the inside. Oh, 104. Isn't that crust? 125. 120. You know, when we take this off and let it rest, it's going to rise in temperature. 130. 113. Turn that rotisserie back on for another 10 minutes maybe. Look at it. Oh, hope you see through all that smoke. It's delicious. This would be the best way to make a cowboy caveman steak yet. It was easy, wasn't it? It's been 22 minutes so far. So altogether it's probably going to be half an hour. The sides are done. Can't wait because it's always time to eat. There we go. 10 minutes later. Gotta be done. $131.4 degrees Fahrenheit. In that area. Okay.
137.8 degrees
Okay.
Fahrenheit.
I'm going to say that's done. I'm going to let it rotate a little more until I get my corn off. Look at it. Hope you can see that. Can you see that nice? Look at the sizzle. Look at the crust. I'm going to melt some butter on that when I get it on my plate. Wow. Rotisserie. Here we go. Let's put the corn on one plate. Nice. You know they're buttery. Look at the butter juice down there. I'm gonna melt more butter on them too. Oh, there's a toasty one. Potatoes. They can stay in that pan. I'm gonna eat inside, remember? I ate one already. If you notice one missing. A little dark out here, but you get the idea. That's a nice handy container. All right, let's get this steak now. You finish. Okay, I gotta open this to get that off. Remember, this is a lot hotter than when you put it on. So use your tools. Ouch! Ah, beautiful. Whoa. We're going to let that sit on the plate for about 10 minutes, and as it sits, the temperature will continue to rise. Got a lot of charcoal over here left over. Anybody want toasted marshmallows? Nice. Okay, inside. Nice and cool in here. Remember, this is hot. Take off our rotisserie spits. Oh, juicy, crunchy, juicy, smoky, charcoal-y. Okay, we're getting there. Can you see this? I would like to just hold it by the handle, like Fred Flintstone, and take a bite. I'm afraid the handle's still a little hot. Sample. Oh, just that little crunch. So delicious. What do I do? Now you want me to cut it so you can look at it, right? But I want to eat it like this. But I'm not gonna, am I? Oh. Mmm. Look what happened to your piece. Here. I'll do this so you can see it. You love it? I do. And that's gonna be good. Holding it by the bone. Want to trim it down enough. I'm trying to be a gentleman, you know. No, I'm not. Look at that. Anybody else want a piece? I guess nobody wants a piece. Look at how smooth. Oh, yeah. Okay, now. Let's make a nice plate for myself here. Oh, I meant to melt butter. See, I get so excited. I guess I'll put butter right here. Yeah. Beautiful. Some corn. Some roast potatoes. Oh, these are crunchy on the bottom too. Butter goes good with all this. Salt and pepper. It melts in my mouth. Hang on. What a delicious meal. A little niblet. That's good on the grill. All right, one last bite for you with steak sauce on it. So delicious. Thanks for joining me for this beautiful, delicious tomahawk steak. Cowboy steak, caveman steak, Fred Flintstone, Rick Mammana. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Make that on your grill. Make it in your oven. It's good.
Please subscribe. I'll talk to you later.